Today we are going to install VS Code on Windows 11. The same process will be if you are using Windows 11 or you are using Windows 10, but we will check on Windows 11. So if anything will change in process, then we will be aware of that. So we can download it first. Download VS Code. Download Visual Studio Code. Now after this, you will choose your operating system. Like mine is Windows. And then what is it? Is 64-bit or any other? You can see that now 11 is released. So here is Windows 11. So this will be support on 7, 8, 10, and 11. So I'm downloading it. Setup is downloading. It will take few minutes. Now I can single click here, or I can go to downloads folder and double click on that. So I'm starting from here. I'm single clicking on this. You can go to download folder and double click on that setup from here. Here is your download folder. You can double click on this setup. Okay, this is Visual Studio setup. Now accept. Next. Path where you want to install. I'm not going to change it. Next. Next. If you want to add any other thing like create a desktop icon, add open with code option, add open with code action to Windows Explorer directly context menu. It is up to you that you want to add these or not. Okay, I am going to add these all. Next. Install. Installation is a start. We can wait few seconds and installation will be finished, and then we will open the VS Code. Launch VS Code. Finish. VS Code will launch. Installation is done. But I will show one more thing to you. Like I am canceling this. And if you want to start VS Code in some particular folder, so what you will do, go there. I'm creating some folder, dummy code folder. I want to start VS Code inside this folder. First thing, you go to VS Code and search this folder. I will show that also. But first, go to this folder directly, write cmd here. It will open command prompt and type code space dot enter. This will open VS Code for you. This will ask to trust this folder. Yes, I trust. I know this folder. Okay. Second thing, I'm closing this. I'm closing this. I'm going to start VS Code. Visual Studio Code here. And then I'm closing this dummy folder, which we opened recently. So go to close folder. Close folder. Now there's no folder is opened. Okay. Go to file. Open folder. Now browse that. That was in D drive. So we can go to D drive and then dummy code opened and select folder. So by this you can explore your folder, and from here you can create new files or new folder inside this. Like you want to create some JavaScript file. So I am creating index.js. So this file is created inside that folder. So use these options, do something great. All the best.